Hey, it's Phoenix Genesis. It is almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I have been up since 4 in the morning because of the lightning strikes, and the sounded like an express train at LAX with every turbojet engine on at the same time. It is really creepy out here. The smoke was so bad. It's better now. I have my buff. Dougie's, wait a minute. I have my buff on, but I don't need it. The smoke isn't that bad. I've been sick. You guys haven't heard from me because I've had really bad flu for a couple weeks now. Like, I guess almost 2 weeks. And yeah, coughing up some phlegm with blood. And this is not helping it at all. Part of Glendale is in evacuation order. Ooh, what happened here? Crap, part of the... Oh man, did that like screw up and bump on my car? Oh, that's BS, man. Yeah, the siding came off and clipped my car. Lovely. Nobody is out here, but these guys gotta go, so I don't really have much of a choice right now. Steve took them out at like 2 in the morning in the heart of the windstorm, so my turn. Yeah, look, it really downed everything. We also, by the way, have no internet or landline with Spectrum, and I did the live chat with Spectrum Net or whatever, and they said, yeah, guess what? Well, yeah, you got an outage, and we don't know when it's going to be back up. Have fun, basically. Look at this. This is creepy. I mean, you feel like it's like 5 in the morning or something. Razor, get out of the trash, please. Steve's been also sick for like a week. He took 2 days off work, and he had 2 days off, so he's been bedridden for like 4 days now. And he was thinking of going to work, but he's been coughing. And yeah, part of northern Glendale is on kind of I guess they have level 1 is ready, level 2 is set, and level 3 is go as far as evacuations. And then they have 0, which is the red flag warning. Our section of Glendale is in the red flag warning. Good morning. So we're not on evacuation yet, but you know me being a ultralight survivalist, I have all my phones and electronics charged, headlamp, battery pack, all my battery packs, yeah, my Rovivon flashlight. I've got everything good to go in case I had to evacuate. Just got fortunately, a new battery in the car too. That's really creepy over there. Look at this. Yeah, I wonder if my friend Sarkis lives up in Sun Valley. I think that's close to Silmar, and he's usually in by now, and he is not in yet. Yeah, wind's starting to pick up again a little bit. This is nothing compared to the way it was earlier. Nothing. Oh yeah, look at this, the whole sidewalk. Yeah, we cranked up. We have a really good, the best air filter money can buy. That was cranked up, and I put towels by the door because I didn't want the smoke coming in anymore, and the dogs and the cats with their sensitive respiratory systems breathing that smoke, and Steve and I too being sick. Wow, look at this. Yeah, my heart goes out to everyone who lost their homes or like had to evacuate. It was what, 30,000 people evacuated in Pali. Really sad. I know people up at Pali and Altadena and Pasadena, like over 52,000 people have had to evacuate. That's a good sign. Some sunlight with no smoke is a very good sign, especially in that direction. Okay, guys, let's go. I'm not taking these guys out that far in this kind of weather situations. Yeah, this side is really creepy. I wonder if there's another fire picking up there. I forgot. I think it's Watch app. There's an official app that they recommended with the fire department, and I downloaded that to kind of keep abreast of what's going on with evacuations. You know, another thing that bothers me about Glendale too is we have all these homeless people that live in these cars that are inoperative. They pile them full of trash. The trash spills on top of the vehicles, in the vehicles, underneath the vehicles, and these guys smoke. So in this kind of high wind fire already situation where the fire departments are overwhelmed, I mean, what happens when one of the druggies passes out with a cigarette and then we have that fire and all these vehicles are just full of gas, they don't move, and they're full of trash, and all our buildings here are grandfathered, so they don't have the proper spacing for fire prevention. Then everything just goes up in flames and the city doesn't care. You know, they take our tax dollars, but then they don't do anything for emergency preparedness. Yeah, look at all this right here. It's just so weird. It feels like it's 5 in the morning. You guys can get through that? Like, oh, we gotta investigate that. Yeah, it makes it a little hard to walk. Wow, that really came down, didn't it, guys? Poor tree. Oh, what kind of obstacle do we have up here now? Oh, fun times. All right, come on, guys.
How you doing?
All right. No. Sorry. It's okay. He's okay. Razor wants to give everybody a kiss because he's all stressed out. All right. Well, these guys decided they don't want to do a big walk, so I don't blame them. Ew, look how creepy it looks going in this direction. At least my friend's video game arcade didn't look like it got any damage. Look at it. The street seems to have fared a little bit better. All right, guys. I'm gonna put my phone away and concentrate on walking and pray for us out here. I'll keep you updated on stuff. Hopefully I'll feel better by the end of the week. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.